It was strange when it happened 2 years ago, and it is strange today as it's happening again. Dave Cameron is being challenged for the presidency of the West Indies Cricket Board, and his own Jamaican Cricket Board seems reluctant to support him. Indeed, Jamaica is the only regional board not to publicly commit their support to one candidate or the other. Me have a problem with that, especially in a context where West Indies cricket over many years has been characterized by insularity. Jamaica has gone through periods where we were basically shut out of the cricket by these smaller territories. In comes Dave Cameron, who can hardly be accused of insularity. And as a president, he has been better than most, and yet his own Jamaican board thinks it hard to support him. Something wrong with that. It's not like Ricky Skerritt coming with a magic wand to solve the problems of West Indies cricket. He has been around West Indies cricket and was a practicing politician in St. Kitts. So what he will be coming with is promises. At least Cameron has a track record, and as paradoxical as it might sound, in the context of West Indies cricket, a Jamaican vote for the Jamaican Dave Cameron could be seen as a vote against insularity. For me personally though, if a Jamaican puss a run for the West Indies Cricket Board presidency, me would have voted for the Jamaican puss.